Alright, today let's configure the permissions for our compute or SQL warehouse. The process is simple. First, we need to go to our running compute cluster or the warehouse. Let's demonstrate with SQL warehouse. Next, please make sure the status is running. If not, we can also um, press the play button, right? This is the stop because it's already running. It's a green. Now I'll click on the three dots here. I'll click on permissions. Now here we can manage the permissions. Let's say for all workspace users, I want them can use or can monitor. Let's say they can monitor. If all workspace users are not required, we'll remove it, right? So let's change it to can monitor, and let's change the admins can view. So looks good. As per the role, basically admin will have more control, so admins basically can manage as well. But for this demo, let's choose something. So we can choose anything as per our requirement, right? So by default, for the all workspace users can monitor, but admins can manage as well. So that's what that's how we change the permissions. Next, let's say we want to add a new user here. We can click on this settings, assign new owner. Then we can search for the user email and assign them as well. So if you want to add the owner, you can browse it and then confirm it. So that's what the configuration permission is all about. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in our next lecture.